All right, that horn signals another battle between Mike over at Rip 'em All and Captain in Cards. We're going to be doing the Metal Universe. I'm going to be opening up the 24-25 hockey, which comes with 15 packs, 6 cards per pack. Opened the 24-25 a couple of times and still haven't opened up the gold bullion or the dark matter, but I have gotten the liquid gold Dylan Larkin from a blaster box from Target. So Target does treat me really well. So, but this box was purchased from Chicagoland Sports Cards in Buffalo Grove, Illinois. I'm going to go ahead and leave a link to their website where you can purchase not just hockey, but basketball and football and baseball, Pokemon, Magic, The Gathering. I saw some of the Disney cards too, but let's go ahead and get ripping into our 24-25 Skybox Metal Universe. Begin our battle here, but with each pack I'm going to try and give a fact about the universe or space. So 15 packs, 15 space facts. Let's see what the universe brings us. Good luck, Mike and Raven, if you end up joining him too. Good luck to the both of you. The whole Rip 'em All gang. Right, let's go ahead and get ripping into some Metal Universe. 24-25, if I remember, this hockey pack does like to give me a little bit of difficulty, so you might have to bear with me. Got the... Don't forget to follow me on Instagram too. I don't post as much on there, but you will get to see cool stuff like Captain visiting Santa, other videos of Captain. But let's go ahead and get into our 15 packs here. I'm guessing 3 of 5. All right, and there are the numbers right there for anyone who is interested in seeing that. All right, pack number 1, fact number 1, and I think it's probably something most people know, but if you don't, there are more stars in our galaxy than there are grains of sand on Earth. So that's kind of cool. And you know how many grains of sand there are, just seems to be everywhere. So I don't doubt that there are more stars though. Yeah, I think the facts distract from how hard the packs are to open. Okay. You got Harry Dubé. Let's see, we've got Rhymestrom, William Karlsson, Dylan Strom, Adam Fantilli, counterpoise of Dustin Wolf with the Calgary Flames. That is a really cool looking card. And then rookie of Harry Dubé. We'll get this guy saved up real quick. Counterpoise, Dustin Wolf. All right, that was pack number 1. Pack number 2. Fact number 2. Jupiter's day is only 10 hours. So I think Mike will win if he's able to open the packs a lot easier than I am. All right, we got Drake Batherson, Jake Neighbors, Matt Zuccarello, Jake DeBrusk, Alex Ovechkin on the Z-Force, and Olin Zellweger for our rookie. All right, so fact number 3, a teaspoon of neutron star material is billions of tons. So just a teaspoon of that is billions of tons in weight. Like how many elephants is a billion? I guess I could just Google that, or if somebody knows, they can leave a comment. All right, Tim Stutzel, Josh Norris, Martin Natchez, Jonathan Marchessault. Ooh, Mitch Marner, points per game on the speckled. Then we had Victor Mancini. All right, fact four. Shooting stars are in fact not just stars, but they are burning rocks and dust material in space. So, yeah. I guess stars don't really fall and shoot like that, so. Tyler Toffoli. Right player, right team. Robert Thomas. Matt Boldy. Mikko Rantanen. Cam York with the alphabetical. And look at this Lane Hudson rookie. Star colors. The hottest star color is blue. So blue stars burn the hottest. Luke Hughes, Keandre Miller, Seth Jarvis, Michael Bunting, Gen Z of Logan Stankoven, and Brennan Othman there on our rookie. According to astronomers, the Milky Way smells a lot like rum and raspberries, so I don't know how they figured that, but I'm sure they just look up the chemical makeup of both the rum and the raspberry and see that it's very common throughout the Milky Way and just assume that's what it smells like. But John Tavares, Sam Reinhart, Braden Point, Mason Marchman, silver shots of JJ Peterka, and Kader Gauthier on our rookies. So apparently Galaxies, one of the facts is that they move, right? So they are actually able to collide with each other, and our galaxy is on a collision course with the Andromeda galaxy. So we'll be long after we're gone, though, according to the scientists Alex Lafreniere, Zach Hyman, William Nylander. Oh, nice, dude. I haven't pulled one of these before. I just said that Chris Kreider on the dark matter, and then Matvey Michkov on the rookie. Followed me from our Series 1 battle there, Rip. I'm getting Matvey, but no Macklin. Alright, so apparently the pressure in the atmosphere is so intense on Neptune that carbon forms into diamonds, so diamonds rain down on Neptune. We've got Nathan McKinnon, Morgan Frost, Mark Scheifele, Fabian Zetterlund. Oh, Michael Bunting with the Pittsburgh Penguins for our auto. And then Vasily Ponomarev there. So in space, you can grow about 2 inches. So according to the way atmosphere and gravity pulls on you, you tend to grow about another 2 inches when you are out in outer space. So 2 inches taller in space. That explains the Space Marine height. All right, Brock Faber, Jake Cutter, Matthew Nyes, Andrzej Kopitar. Oh man, Dawning of Brock Besser. These are really cool looking cards, aren't they? And then Zach Dean for our rookie. All right, so moon footprints, they don't tend to drift away because there is no wind to kind of brush all of that away. So footprints on the moon stay. John Carlson, Bo Horvath, Nick Suzuki, Jason Robertson, Logan Stankoven on the Z-Force, Bradley Nadeau for our rookie. Last five fun facts here. Mercury and Venus are the only planets in our system, in our galaxy that, are the only planets that don't have any Mercury and Venus don't have any moons. Mark Stone. Going into the penalty box there. Pierre-Luc Dubois, Yegor Sharangovich, Connor Bedard, Jake Gensel, and Logan Morrison. The universe is approximately 13.8 billion years old, according to scientists and what they can measure and however they measured it. Alex DeBrincat, Nico Heischer, Trevor Moore, Alex Iafallo, prospects of Seamus Casey, Zachary Bolduc. So there are phenomena known as gamma ray bursts, which are so strong that they can shred atmospheres. So if there's a gamma ray burst near Earth, it could potentially be a planet ender. That's a fun little fact. Cole Caulfield, Matthias Michelli, Brock Besser, Alexander Barkov, prospects of Samuel Hanzik, and then Akil Thomas. All right, let's go. Uranus has 42 years of darkness and 42 years of daylight. Steven Stamkos, Jacob Slavin, Noah Dobson, Tyler Bertuzzi, Brendan Breeson. All right, final fact, little depressing, but no matter how large and vast space is, it's still a void containing little to almost no matter. So there we go. Very uplifting. All right. Kiefer Sherwood, Rasmus Dahlin, Kent Johnson, Andrei Kuzmenko, search engines of Cole Perfetti, and then Scott Morrow. And that was it for our battle here. I think we did pretty good. Got Matvey, Michkov, no Celebrini, but I think we don't really have any set rubric on what we're grading against. So I don't know. I'm excited to see what Rip's got, and I'm gonna send you guys over to his channel to enjoy. All right, and take care, and I'll see you guys on the next one.